I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. Thank you so much for chatting with me. How are you guys?
Hi,
Hi,
Chloe. Very
Chloe.
well, thank you.
Good, good. So to start, I just love the romance of your characters and that specific part of the story. And can you just walk me through that moment when your characters finally meet? That is something that I feel like romance fans love to see is those two characters you're waiting to meet finally lock eyes, and there's such like magic and suspension. Can you talk about that from a technical actor's perspective?
Mm.
Yeah, well, yeah, the very first time that they meet, it's totally unexpected. Neither of these characters, I think, in that this last thing on their minds, is to meet the love of their life. I guess when you do meet the love of your life, you never really expect it, right? Like it's always kind
Yeah,
of
but
a
they're not
surprise.
looking for love, are they, at
No.
all? They're not looking for each other anyway.
But filming that first one, we actually did that a couple of times, and um, the first time we did it for kind of creative and artistic reasons, we decided to reshoot it. So we didn't actually film the stable scene until it was like one of the very last things we filmed.
Yeah, it was the final week.
Yeah, the very final week of filming. But it was amazing as actors because we had grown so much. We'd grown closer. We knew how each other worked. Yeah, there's a lot of things that's kind of helped with the kind of magnetism I think that you see during that first scene.
Mm.
And
And we added the fact that they see each other through the tiny gap in the wall. That wasn't there the first time we shot it, and we added that in when we reshot. And I'm so glad that we did because I think that really adds to the romance of it. And like you said, when they lock eyes or eye, they lock one single eye, and that's it. That's all it takes. They know that they're destined to be together. I think it's a really beautiful and romantic
and
first meet.
and yeah, and especially in that scene is so much of what's not being said,
Yeah.
which helps that, and I think yeah, knowing how you work and vice versa, I think that helped that
Yeah.
aspect of it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I'm also so curious, what was your favorite things to do when you weren't filming? Like in between takes, when you were like waiting for the cameras to start, how did y'all spend time on set or off set?
Offset, I would say, I mean, we went on a fair few hikes. That was one of my favorite things to do because Scotland is stunning. And, an hour outside of Glasgow, you're in the middle of nowhere in this stunning natural landscape. And
Mhm.
we went on a few climbs, and then karaoke as well was a big bonding.
Karaoke
Nice.
is always good for bonding.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
did we do on set? Like, I feel like we just kind of goofed around a lot of time, didn't
I
we?
can't remember.
Like, I have so many pictures of you just like between takes and just when we're chilling and you're
What?
doing something funny with like some sort of dance. Do you remember that time when we drew like on the napkins and things?
Oh, yeah, we would draw caricatures of each other. And
I still have that. It's by my in my
do
bedside.
you?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
eat.
green
I just
pen.
feel like there's a lot of eating
Oh
involved.
yes,
That's
and
always a good thing.
Lots of caffeine, lots of trying to stay warm, just
yeah, that's
huddling
it.
by the
Like,
heaters and sticking extra heat pads on.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, wait, what was your karaoke songs? Can I ask?
Oh gosh.
It
What's yours and Rory's?
it depends on the stage of the night, but I feel like I can do a good Your Song by Elton John.
It's
Nice.
romantic. The two
Hmm
of them together. It's very
we've
romantic.
sung that a couple of times together. It's
It's
beautiful.
beautiful. It's emotional.
Hmm
Very emotional. And final question, the casting in this show is phenomenal. And I'm curious if y'all could cast someone in a future project to play a family member of yours, who would you pick?
Oh, good question. I know mine.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna say Emma Stone. I love her to pieces, and
Yeah.
I sometimes get compared to her, which makes me very happy because I think she's stunning and I think she's such a great actress.
She's fantastic. I've always been a big, massive James McAvoy fan, and with him being Scottish, I feel like he could play some Fraser relative or something like that to come in, and I think that could
That's
be cool. I
cool.
can imagine him like being a villain or something,
He'd be a great
great,
villain.
a great antagonist.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love that to happen. It's my best.
I love that. Well, congratulations on this show, and thank you so much for chatting with me. Have such a good rest of your day.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Chloe.
Lovely to speak to you.